You left the fridge door open again.
It was only 5 minutes.
230 minutes.
You're just an outdated fridge. There are tons of you out there.
Outdated.
To be precise, underestimated.